Just a humble little Stanley utility knife. This is a Stanley blade, and it's made of the cheap stainless steel. This is 400 series stainless steel. It will stain, it will rust, it will cast sparks. Let's start off with ferro rod. I have sharpened the 90-degree spine up on here, and we'll be pushing it this way. I have a heck of a nice burr right here. It should scrape sparks off the ferro rod very easily. All right, let's do the easiest ones first. Bamboo scrapings with some bamboo feathers. Not a problem. And the next easiest one will be these pine needles. Now the side of this utility knife blade does not scrape as much material off as say a knife does. So bear with me on this. Part of that are those pine needles. They're not all that reactive. And the fabric, which you know fabric takes a long time to sort of get started. No problem. You'll take your char cloth, tear it to reveal all of these threads, line them up one on top of the other, and then place it just behind the edge of your sharp edge on your chart. Had to expose some edges so that the flames would have something to climb up. Oh, we've got flames right there. It's really hard to see it on fabric, especially in this bright sun. So, set it right here for now. We'll let the flames get a little bit stronger, a little bit higher. You see what a nice little fire maker it is, and the razor sharp edge, how convenient it is to have that for all sorts of different uses. And you don't have to wear the edge off of your Mora companion or your $300 knife you have on your hip. So $1 at the flea market, buy several, put them in your packs. It's a good backup. All right, y'all. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.